In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an app trailer that you can use to promote your upcoming apps on YouTube. And the best thing about these templates that I created is that it only takes a few minutes to create a 15-second customized app trailer for your apps. So I'll go ahead and show you what the generic trailer looks like before we add any customizations to it. So as you can see, these iPhone screens have just a green screen in them right now, but we can change all those really fast. And once this is done, I'll go ahead and show you how that's done. Stop that. Now I created these app trailer templates with reskinning in mind, meaning that the way that you would customize this video template is the same way you would customize or reskin a source code. So let's go ahead, go into my computer here. When you go into the project folder, you'll see a resources folder, which is just like you'd see in a source code. So we just double click on there, and then you'll see all the files that are part of this project. Now you don't have to change all of them, and even when you do change them, there's not very many to that you have to replace. So the main ones are these three screenshots, which are PNG files, and you can easily capture those from your iPhone. So these are iPhone 5 sized screenshots, or you can do a screen capture directly from Xcode. The other files you need to change are this logo, is this logo file. It's also a PNG, and then these two Photoshop text files, and I'll just open those up so you can see what it looks like, and just go ahead and you can retype over the text there and then just resave it. I'll just keep it the way it is. And then one more file that you will have to change is this character PSD. It's a Photoshop file. You can go ahead and put any kind of graphic in here, usually like maybe a character or some kind of graphic that's relevant to your app. So let's close those. And then one more file that you will have to change is this music track file. Right now it's just a blank MP3 file. There's no audio in it right now, but if you want audio in your trailer, then you just go ahead and replace that. So, and how you do that is you will need to bring in files that are named exactly the same as the files that are in this folder. So I'm going to go out here and get my files that I want to replace. Let me go back in here one more time. So the music, this music is called music track. I'm going to copy that name, and so here are the files I've captured from an app that I recently created. They've all been renamed to the proper file names except for two of them, which is this music file. I'm going to go ahead and paste that name in there, the music track one, and then I forgot to change this one. It's called Octopus. We'll go back into that resource folder, and it's actually this one called character. Copy that name, and I'll go back and replace this one there. Okay, now it's all ready. I'm going to go ahead and copy all of these files and then go back here and just paste them in. And that's pretty much it. And then when we go back to After Effects, we'll actually have to close it out because it doesn't auto-update the files that we changed like it does in Xcode. But we'll go ahead and open that back up again, that template, and then once we do, you'll see that everything has changed to the new graphics. So I'll go ahead and render this out so you can see what the template looks like now. We'll give it a moment here. We've got to wait till this green line goes across, and then we can watch it in real time. Okay, it's almost done. So I'll go ahead and stop that. After Effects just loops it when I'm doing a preview here. So you can see how fast it is to customize this template. It's just replacing a few graphic files in a resources folder. But one of the good things about this template is that I wanted to have more functionality than just a video created here. So what this template does is it also creates 3 app screenshots for you to use in iTunes Connect when you're setting up your app. So let's go ahead here and take a look at the iPad Retina. This is the iPad Retina version of the screenshot. Here's one for the 4-inch iPhone, and here's one for the 3-inch iPhone. So I didn't have to do any extra work to have these screenshots made. They use all the same assets, and it's all done for you all at the same time. Now here's some other features that I built into this. Let's say I don't want a white iPhone in here, so I have this comp here which is the iPhone Frame Master. All I have to do is turn on the eyeball here for the black iPhone, and then I'll go back into the screenshot template, and now all the iPhones are black in there. Go to the iPad Retina version of it and the 3-inch version. So all those have changed, and also in the video. So now the video has black iPhones in it. But not only that, I also built in an easy way for you to change colors of the background too. So there's another comp here called the main background color. I'm going to go ahead and change that to red. And we'll go back to the video. Now we have black iPhone and a red background. Let's scroll to the end there. And then also, if we go back into the screenshots, the background also changes there. So I built this so it's really easy to use and it saves a lot of time. Let's say, oh well, I want a white iPhone again, so let's go back and turn that back into the white iPhone. And now I've got white iPhones again here for all these screenshots and also in the video. One last thing I want to show you is how fast this can be done. It's just a matter of replacing those graphic files, and then you don't really have to do anything else. I've already set up the render queue, which is where you will be rendering out these files, which consists of the video and the 3 screenshots. They're already set up. As long as this has yellow text here, it's all ready to go. The only thing you have to do is hit this render button here, and I'll show you how fast it is to make the video and screenshot. So I'll go ahead and click here now. So if you see the blue line going across, that's rendering the video right now, and it's more than halfway done. And then once the video is done, the screenshots will be rendered out instantly because they're just 1 frame. So it's almost done. Okay, and now let's go into the folder where I saved these, and now there you see the 3 screenshots, and there's the video, and the video is all ready for uploading to YouTube. These screenshots are ready for iTunes Connect. So that's how easy it is to make an app trailer and screenshots with these app trailer templates. I hope you enjoyed it and find these templates useful.